Hello guys and welcome to TechRex tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make text move in Capcut. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Capcut app right here. And once we open our Capcut app, the next thing that we need to do is to click New Project. So click Create a Project right there, and then just add the picture that you want to add. And then once you do that, you will be redirected right here in this layout. Now, to add a text, we're going to do first is to click text right here. And then after that, just click add text right there. And then just put the text that you want to put. So let's say, for example right there. This is the text that we want to add. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go again on the homepage of this layout. And then after that, just click this one right here on the timeline, and then you will see this diamond icon right there, which is the keyframe. All you have to do is to click this one, and then let's say, for example, that we're going to put this one right here, and we're going to make this bigger. Let's put this one right here, and then we're going to make this bigger right there, like that, for example. And then if we play the video, this is what it will look like. As you can see, we now have a moving text in Capcut. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRex tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.